Just look at that reach sticker mee bro. Hy awkward position waar hy man staan om 12 meter op te tel. Look at that there. This is by Grindlot Logistics, Enville Street, Kucha, Zone 3, Port Elizabeth, Grindlot Logistics Depot. Reach sticker picking up. I think it's a 4-ton empty container. I was thinking that the whole time. This is how my analysis in my mind was reading as he came in, the way this Grindlot Logistics truck and skeleton 12-meter trailer triaxle was standing actually in his way. So so as you can see, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's by the 6th box if he comes from the front. That's why he's coming from a skew position, from an awkward, very awkward position. There he picks it up. Light work. 4-ton empty box. Look how he twists it. Net soos dit in my kop is. Just like it's in my head. That's the kind of tunnel vision I have as a forklift driver, professional 10-ton forklift driver. I must go for my 15-ton license and my reach sticker license. This is beautiful. This is what you see. Beautiful.